This is intermarkets.net. And so Intermarkets is a company that can send out solo ads for you, and they have a reach of around 15 million subscribers. And they basically have their own in-house lists, and they also have partner lists, but their main site is drudge.com or the drudge report.com. So let me just switch over here. This is the media kit for the Drudge Report, the main site that they partner with. And just looking at some stats here, every month they get about 14 million unique visitors. So there's various other advertising opportunities with these guys that you can use. But basically, if you're looking for a large solo ad provider, intermarkets.net is a great site to go to. They partner up with drudge.com or the drudgereport.com, which, if you don't know by now, is an alternative media site. According to here, it covers news and events that the mainstream media ignores. So, highly recommend you check out these guys for advertising opportunities, and also if you're looking for information that the mainstream does not cover, you should check out drudgereport.com. Now, here is one of the longest running e-magazines on the internet. This publication is focused on email marketing for small businesses and home-based businesses, and they generally get about 500 new subscribers every month. They have a total of around 63,000. And basically, the subscribers of this company, DEMC, you could go to their site, demc.com, are almost exclusively people involved in business. So a lot of the readers are business owners, a lot of who do business online, a lot of entrepreneurs, opportunity seekers, and business professionals. So this is perfect for you if you market to the make money niche or business opportunity, or anything related to business. Over 100,000 clicks per day are available through this guy. The site I'm on is trafficforme.com, and this was started by Harris Fellman. And through his lists and through partnering with other publishers, he has access to a tremendous number of business opportunity, internet marketing, self-help, health and diet, and finance lists. So basically, if you're in any of those niches, I highly recommend you check out trafficforme.com. You can see to the right here some testimonials from happy customers, and down below here he's got videos for you. He's got a video for advertisers. So if you're looking for a solo ad provider, you want someone to send on a solo ad for you, he's got information on how this all works. And if you're a publisher, well, he's got a video for you too if you're looking to partner up with someone. Now, these guys are list brokers and have access to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And the site I'm looking at is dedicatedemails.com. It's a site or company started by Brian and Mike Littman, who specialize in brokering. And basically, their lists are business opportunities, self-help, and health. So basically, if you're involved in any of those niches and would like to send out a solo ad, you could contact these guys. And if you have a list and are interested in different ways you can make money with that list, you're looking for additional income stream, you could click here where it says list brokerage and you could partner up with them. As it says here, you could earn as much as $25,000 extra from your list each month. So basically, this is a great opportunity for you if you already have a list, and also if you want to grow your list, certainly contact these guys.